us again.
It's Tea Tuesday, and today we're going to be sharing our Mackenzie Childs stash or Mackenzie Childs shopping haul. And so you're going to see a lot of Halloween items that we have already purchased and paid for.
But what kind of tea are we drinking this morning, Mom?
We're drinking chai tea, spicy chai tea, and this came from Trader Joe's or Stater Brothers, because those are the only two stores I buy groceries at. So it's one or the other. I can't remember where I bought it for sure. But I do drink this a lot, and I do enjoy it a lot, and it's got a good flavor and taste. So make sure you guys go over. If you have a Trader Joe's, try it out. If Stater Brothers may not have, because I think Stater Brothers is only in California.
I think it's only in California.
So all of you other wonderful followers aren't going to get any of that. Well, you may get this tea, but you're not getting that store. Trader Joe's, are they everywhere, or do you know?
I think they're in a lot of different states. I just don't know how many.
Well, you want to talk about our pumpkins? Oh, maybe we should talk about our wonderful desserts.
Mm-hmm.
I will get a close-up later of our desserts, but look at these wonderful, beautiful desserts. 0 calories, everyone. No calories at all, right?
And don't you like how the, what is this, the
Frosting,
the
the
it's
drooling?
not frosting, but it's like a, I don't know what you call it, but it's like coming down the sides. It looks pretty good. But you know, this is another one of our faux foods because Grandma's not supposed to be, or my mom is not supposed to be having all kinds of sugary stuff. So
Yeah, it's supposed to be. That's the best word.
yeah, supposed to be. And then we have our drinks by the pool. She's got some strawberry lemonade, and I got a watermelon. Mm-hmm.
Well, it turned out pretty good, guys, don't you think?
Love the blue color.
I think the best part of all, no calories. Love it. Well, you want to talk about our wonderful pumpkins that we have now?
Sure. So behind us we have the two. Now, if you guys can believe this, this is the medium size. When it came in the mail, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't imagine what the large looks like. So we got a medium black and a medium orange, and they have the floral print on them. They're really pretty. And then the black one has the orange polka dots, and the orange one has the black polka dots. And then we have the two, these are the small, and we have them in black and orange. So there's even a size smaller than that, which is the mini, which my mom is holding.
Oh, this is the mini?
That's the mini.
Oh, look at the mini.
And if I had known the sizes, I probably would have only picked the small and the mini, because the medium's pretty big. Remember when I called you and I said, Mom, you're not going to believe the size of the pumpkin. She's like, you're scaring me. I was like, it's like a size of a basketball.
I think they look very nice. They don't look that too big for me. Now, I don't know how many of you have been following my channel more than a year, but I have some beautiful pink pumpkins that will go perfect with the black and the orange, because they both have pink flowers in them.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll be doing a wonderful display here pretty soon. You'll probably see it in a week or so. So just keep coming back. We're always going to have something. And we'll also show the mini. I like the mini. And I don't know if you noticed that these are morning glories.
And that'll go really good in your yard.
Yeah, since I have a lot of morning glories, I have a forest full of them. And the thing about morning glories, you really must love them, because if you don't, they're going to take over your yard. I'm not exaggerating. They're going to take over. But, you know, my husband loves them, so I humor him and let him have his morning glories. And when he's done, I rip them out. Then he gets upset, and I say, I don't know why you're upset. They're going to come back next year.
So on the barn sale that we talked about last week, I did get a couple more pumpkins, but it was the portly check. So I just don't remember if I got the mini or if I got the small. I definitely did not get the medium. So those will be coming, so we can add those to our collection as well. And then I got this a while ago. It's a fabric one, and I really like it. It looks like they use the Courtly check a ribbon, and then this is black velvet. And this little green velvet. It's so cute. I love it. And then on the bottom it has the little button. Can't even talk. But I like it because it'll be easy storage. I don't have to worry about packing it in those big boxes with the styrofoam for these guys to prevent them from getting broken. So that's the only thing that I really, not the only thing, but that's the bonus of the material one, is that it's easy to pack away. So
Were they very expensive?
I don't recall. I got all of these on a previous sale. So when the barn sale came up last week, I got I can't remember, mini or small, and I believe that they were a better deal than when I purchased those ones.
Yeah.
So, but they also have an orange velvet with the black piping, but I wasn't able to get both at that time. And this time I went back to the barn sale to see if I could find it, and they didn't have it. So it's just a hit or miss kind of thing, you know, with them, if they have things. So
And keep in mind, if any of you haven't ordered from them, they take quite a while to sometimes process your orders and get them out here, because
yeah.
we've been waiting for some stuff like a month or 2 months, haven't we?
Yes, and I actually, there's two things that I've had on back order for almost 3 months, and one of them just came this week, so that's good. But it just depends, you know, you order the stuff and it says it's in stock, but then it doesn't come. That's one of my criticisms with Mackenzie Childs, is I wish that when you go in to look at your order, that it will say, you know, pending or on back order. It doesn't say anything. So I frequently have to email them. Like if I get partial of my order, I'll have to email them and say, hey, I only got, you know, these items. This is still missing. Can you give me an update? And then they'll say, oh, it's on back order. It'll come, expected to come the week of blah, blah, blah. So,
And that doesn't mean anything either.
no, because that always changes. But at least by communicating with them, you'll know. But if you just go online to your account, it doesn't say anything. It just says open. So you would think that it would say, you know, partial shipped, or I don't know. But anyways, that's okay.
But make sure you let them know about that trouble you had when your account got hacked, and what happened on that.
Yeah, so the thing is with back orders with Mackenzie Childs, whatever card you give them originally, they will continue to process it. I mean, they don't charge the card. They're kind of like just making sure that there's funds still on the card. And if for some reason your card doesn't go through, they will contact you, and you only have 48 hours to respond, or they'll cancel your order. So that's what happened to me on my topiary that I ordered, that I really, really wanted. It was on sale, and somebody hacked my card. I had to cancel my card, and I think they sent me the email during the week, and you know, you get busy, you're working, and I didn't see the email until the weekend, and by that time it had already, the 48 hours was already up, and I lost my, they canceled my order basically. So I was pretty upset about that. So that's another little tidbit of information.
Yeah, but you also had let them know that there was a problem with the card, and it wasn't passed on to the...
Yeah, because I had 2 pending orders, and when I gave them the information on the new card for the one order, they didn't put it on all of my orders. They only put it on the one order that I was calling about, which I don't think that was fair. So there's some things that, you know, they need to work out. Their customer service needs some help, especially with somebody who has been buying a lot of stuff. You know, I've never had a problem with my card before, but it wasn't my fault. It was somebody hacked in my account, and the bank asked me to close my account. So, but you know, I'll just wait for it to go back on sale. I thought maybe it would be on this barn sale, but nope, I was not fortunate. So
Yeah,
I'm not getting my topiary.
Well, that's it. There's a lot of stuff we aren't going to get if we can't get it on sale or buy it secondhand because it's just too expensive. I'm not saying the items aren't beautiful.
They are. They're very nice. I'm very happy with everything that we've purchased. It's just, you know, there's some ups and downs, and you just have to know how to work around them.
And then we've never gotten ourselves like, what was that one thing we're supposed to have, preferred customer type thing, or?
Yeah, I didn't get that in the beginning, and that's something else that I noticed. There was another, well, not one, but several people who commented about that when they made their purchase and they try to sign up for the preferred customer thing, so you can start collecting points. They weren't able to, get that as well in the beginning, and it wasn't after until like my third purchase that the system finally allowed me to do that. But by then, I didn't get the points for the first 2 orders. So I tried to talk to them about that. Nope, they weren't budging. So like I said, they need to work on their customer service, I think. But I guess I just like this stuff, though. I keep coming back.
Well, we love it. Like I said, we're probably going to cut down on how much we're going to buy because, you know, it is expensive and we both have limited income to a certain point. Her point's a little higher than my point, but neither one of us are going to go out and spend $2,000 for a chair.
No, definitely not.
But she's got a husband. If you really can get him talked into doing it, he could probably recreate something similar.
So speaking of that,
yes.
I'm sure you have not seen in my living room when you walked in this morning, but my husband found something. Well, not found. It was in the garage.
I saw the new chair.
Oh,
in the corner.
Does it not look like a Mackenzie Childs chair?
Looks like it could be. We just need to put some really nice fabric over the cushion and do some painting.
Yep. So that's where he got it out of the garage. He fixed the arm. The arm is a little loose, and he brought it in. And he says, "I think you could recreate a chair." And when I looked at the Mackenzie Childs chair, that was very similar to that. Mm-hmm. It's like over $2,000.
Yeah, I bet you can do it.
On sale, people.
Yeah, we're not buying that. I can promise you, there is no way. Neither one of us. That would be the most. And I have 5 great grandbabies, and the oldest one is 4. Do you think I want to spend that kind of money for furniture and see little jelly or peanut butter hands?
Ugh, I can imagine.
And I have them over all the time. Mia Rose was just over there on Thursday or Friday I guess it was Thursday. And she was going to get off that chair with those little hands. No, Mia. You got to sit on the chair until you're done eating, and then we're washing the hands. She'd been eating like a Twinkie cupcake or something.
Oh, so it had a lot of cream all over.
Oh, yeah, a lot of cream. Oh, yeah, her face looked wonderful. Yeah, she had a good time. Well, I guess we're going to have to call it a day. We love you a lot, and
come back and see how we put these pumpkins to good use in decor.
Yes, and there will be a lot of Halloween decor coming your way.
Mm-hmm. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you
guys.
for joining us today. See you next week.